This is the MINI John Cooper Works Rally. It is an off-road competition car based off the Countryman and built by X-Raid. It was first used during the 2017 Dakar Rally. In this video, you're watching X-Raid do desert testing with this car. The JCW Rally has some interesting specs, but before I dive into those, why don't you consider subscribing to the channel, and while you're at it, hit the notification bell. The JCW Rally features a 3-liter B57 inline-6 turbo diesel with a 6-speed dual-clutch transmission. As far as power, you're looking at 350 horsepower and around 567 foot-pounds of torque. Insane power numbers for this car. The differential is from X-Track, and fun fact, I have a friend who works for them. AP Racing disc brakes providing the stopping power for this behemoth, and speaking of weight, the MINI JCW Rally tips the scales at 4,305 pounds. The Countryman already has larger dimensions than the standard hatchback, and the JCW Rally is no exception, with a wheelbase of 114.2 inches, an overall length of 170.6 inches, and a width and height which are both 78.7 inches. To compare that to the street-going version, its wheelbase is 9 inches longer, its overall length is about the same, and its weight is almost 1,000 pounds more. Quite a wild ride. The JCW Rally succeeded the MINI All-4 Racing that you saw in a previous video, doing testing in Dubai, but this one itself was succeeded by the MINI John Cooper Works Buggy, which you will see in a later video. If you want to learn more about X-Raid, visit their website at x-raid.de or click the link in the video description below. If you like what you see, check out more content on this channel at the end of this video, and thanks for watching.